So, in this lecture, I'm going to show you how to test all types of SMD resistors using the multimeter. Of course, we're gonna select the resistance option or the ohm option in the multimeter. So as you can see here, we have the auto range. So this is an auto range digital multimeter. Okay. Of course, you can use also this kind of multimeter where we have scales and gradation, and you can choose any scale you want. So the first resistor that we're gonna test is this. As you can see, we have 1, 0, 0. So the third number is 0. So the multiplier is 0. The resistance of this resistor is 10 ohm. Okay, so let's check it. We should find 10 ohm in the multimeter. So as you can see in the multimeter, we have 10.3 means 10 ohm. Okay, so this is a good resistor. Let's check this resistor also. We have 471. The multiplier is 1. So means 470 ohms. 470 ohms. So let's check. As you can see, we have 465.1 means 470 ohms. So this is a good resistor. Okay, as you can see. Here, this is a network resistor where we have 1, 0, and 3. So 3 is the multiplier. 3 means 3 zeros. This resistor equal to 10,000 ohm or 10 kilo ohms. Okay, 10 kilo ohms. As you can see, 9.93, about 10 kilo ohms. As you can see in the multimeter, we have 10 kilo ohms. So let's check this resistor also. So we have 3 zeros, means this is a fuse resistor. Okay, this is a fuse resistor. We have here in the multimeter 0.1 or 0.2 means 0 ohm. So this is a good resistor. Okay, as you can see in the multimeter, the value is correct. Let's check this. As you can see, we have 4R7. As I told you before, R means the decimal point. This should be equal to 4.7 ohm. 4.7 ohm. As you can see, we have 4.8 ohm. So this is a good resistor. Okay, this is a serviceable resistor. So let's check those resistors also. As you can see, we have 105. The multiplier is 5, means 5 zeros. We will add 5 zeros. This should be equal to 1 mega ohm. 1 mega ohm. So let's check. So as you can see, we have 0.996 or 97 means 1 mega ohm. Okay, so as you can see, the unit is the mega ohm. So this is a good resistor. 1 mega ohm. So this is a good resistor. So let's check this resistor also, the same value. We should get 1 mega ohm. As you can see in the multimeter, we get 1 mega ohm. So let's check this resistor. As you can see, we have 150 means 15 volts. Okay, 15 volts. We should get 15 volts. As you can see, we have 15.5. As you can see, this is correct. So this is a good resistor. Here we have another resistor with 754. So the third number is the multiplier. 4 means 4 zeros. This should be equal to 0.7 mega ohm. As you can see, 0.754 mega ohm. Okay, as you can see in the multimeter. Here we have another network resistor with 3 numbers. We have 3, 2, 22. So the third number is 2, means 2 zeros. This should be 2.2 kilo ohm or 2222 ohms. Let's check. We should get 2.2 kilo ohms. As you can see, we have 2.90 means 2.2 kilo ohms. So this is a good resistor, as you can see in the multimeter. Here we have another fused resistor, as you can see, this time with 1 0. Of course, with the same working principle, we should get 0 ohm. As you can see, we have 0.3 means 0 ohm. Means this is a good fused resistor. Okay. Here we have another resistor, we have 152. So 2 is the multiplier. So this should be equal to 1.5 kilo ohm. 1.5 kilo ohm. As you can see in the multimeter, we have 1.45 means 1.5 kilo ohm. This is a good resistor. Okay. Here we have another network resistor. We have 681. Okay, means 680 ohms. Because the multiplier is 1, we will add 1 0 to 68 means 680 ohms. We should get 680 ohms. So let's check. As you can see here, this is a current sense resistor. So basically we should find here 0. As you can see, we have R020. As you can see, we have 0.1 or 0.2. This is a good resistor. Here, as you can see, we have another resistor where we have, as you can see, 2R2. This should be 2.2 volts, okay? Because R means decimal point, as you can see, 2.4 ohms, 2.2 ohms, as you can see in the multimeter, 2.4 ohms. This is a good resistor. Here we have 1R0, means 1 ohm. This should be equal to 1 ohm because R means decimal point. So this resistor should be 1 ohm. Let's check it out. As you can see, we have 1 ohm, okay, 1.1 or 1 ohm. This is a good resistor. So this is a motherboard for the mobile phone, and over here we have 2 resistors. As you can see, we have 2 current sense resistors. We have R010. This should be equal to 0.01 or 0.1. Okay, so this is basically like a fuse resistor. We should find 0 ohm or 0.1 ohm. As you can see, we have 0.1, 0.2. This is a good current sense resistor.